Welcome to Mercedes-Benz Brampton. My name is Andrew Lennox and I'm the General Manager here at the dealership. Today we're here to talk about one of our fastest growing segments within the brand, and that is the Sprinter lineup. Today I'm going to also introduce you to Tomasz Bialy and Sydney Forget, two of our driving forces behind what we do in order to service you as our commercial clients. Tom is our Sprinter sales manager, and he has won the prestigious President's Circle Award for the past 2 years. This achievement is not only given to the highest volume, but also to the highest in customer satisfaction. We are very proud to have Tom leading our Sprinter sales team. Sydney Forget is also a force to be reckoned with. Sydney has been our dedicated Sprinter service manager for the past 3 years and has been a member of Mercedes-Benz Brampton team since we opened in 2015. To match this amazing team, we also have 5 dedicated service bays with same-day service available for most of our busy commercial clients. We understand your business, and time off the road means no revenue for our clients. We clearly understand that getting you on the road very quickly means a lot to you. Additionally, we have a selection of inventory in stock right now that is unmatched by most of our competitors. We have over 50 Sprinters in stock ready to go and over 100 on order, so I know we'll find something that can match your needs. Here at Mercedes-Benz Brampton, we are a 4-time Star Dealer Award winner, and I'm very proud of the achievement of all our sales and our service team members when it comes to our Sprinters. I know you will be too, and I look forward to having the opportunity to serve you. Thank you very much.